Got kind of a crazy one. Had my pressure washer inlet hose break off inside the deal. It is under warranty, but they're asking me if I can extract this part here.
This is actually the outlet hose.
Take out the gray part. I may be able to extract the deal here, and I may not be able to. I've got a, what do you call it, this is a seat wrench removal tool. Let's see if I can get anything to grab there. The problem with that is the problem with that. May not be able to grab there. I may need to take this hose off, get it out of my way. I need to move things where I can get to it a little bit easier. There we go. Make that a little better. Theory. Let's take a look here. I can probably take this whole deal out. In theory. Yeah, no problem. So, if nothing else, just get both of those parts, 2 parts, and it's no problem, right? Got an O-ring behind here, and looks like a little check valve behind there. Okay. But the question is, can we? That one's just bottomed all the way in there. So I can hold this here. That's easy enough. Got this gonna hit there. Got a sprinkler removal tool, just not quite. Let's see. Let's see what I got. Really a large flathead. Something's gotta work. Yep. Yep. Ideas. Looks like this goes inside. At least worst case scenario, we know we can just replace that part. That's easy enough. Just don't know if I can extract that portion. Try and see what else I got. I could probably take a Dremel tool and cut a notch in this way and use a flat blade that's a little bit bigger and pull it out. That's an awful lot of headache to go through. Okay, I don't have much that'll work out that easily. You know, I can try to force something like this into there and then see if it'll unthread out, but I don't know, because we wind up making things worse than they need to be for me. Yeah, it just doesn't seem like it's gonna get me anywhere as far as getting that out of there. So I'm just gonna tell them I need the check valve piece. You know, the whole deal. Shouldn't be that bad. Gotta send a photo. Isn't working out so good, is it? Trying to get it into a spot where I can show both parts. As well as the just gonna have to do it. Kind of interesting. It's got the check valve there. Anyway, should be able to get that part. I'll need the whole thing though. What's that? What do we got here? Alright, kind of tight quarters here, a little craziness for the pressure washer, but it should be well enough to get it in there, or to get in there. The MiTM company was nice enough to send me the parts needed, so it's great. Here's the might be a good idea to save the fields, as they would have the part numbers on it, but then this is not likely to come up again. So here's the threaded deal. Got to be careful as I pull it out here, as it's got the spring inside. I think I left it in there somewhat loose so that it wouldn't be too difficult here to pull out. It's got the little spring inside. So there we go. Go. Oh, no O-ring here, so we want to make sure we get the O-ring. And I do want to make sure that I get the spring the same way here. So there's the spring. So it just goes in just like that. And the O-ring, I'll have to be careful. Probably should have, in hindsight, requested a new O-ring too, but probably won't be too bad to pick it off here. There we go. Nice and gentle. There we go. Not too bad. And I do have an O-ring kit if needed. Here we go. So I'm just going to tip the spring back in there. We're all set there. That was nice and easy. Okay. So a little tighter. There we go. Not too tight. Just tight enough there. And then here's the new coupling. Looks like no Teflon tape is needed here. Pull off the old hose. I may trim off that piece of hose, and so we get a nice fresh feel here. But here goes. Again, not too complicated here, nothing too major. Just kind of turn this so that it's up and to the side here, and that'll be it. There we go. Put that sideways there. And again, at this, I'll trim this so we get a nice straight edge, nice new connection here. Nice flat blade. There we go. Just slice it off so we get a nice fresh connection. Now we're ready for pressure washing just like normal. Nice and easy. There was the part there, it snapped off. So, no big deal here. All nice and new. Ready to pressure wash again. Yeah.
Alright, hooked up the pressure washer to clean again, and it didn't work, and that's because I put the check valve in backwards. So just had to flip the little spring check valve around the correct way and then screw it back in, and no big deal. So here it is, flipping it around. This is how it should go, and it's back in business. Ready to pressure wash again.